this is the diagram of this math. Here, as you can see, this is a curve line, and this is equation of the curve, and this is equation of this straight line. Okay, and given there is a two coordinate A and B, we have to find out the volume of this shaded region. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is a line x plus y equal 5, and converting it, we can write y equal 5 minus x. Let this equal y1. Okay, and this is a curve equation, y equal this, and converting it, we can write this, and let this equal y2. Okay, and our main theme is that we need to find the volume of this shaded region. Okay, so if we want to find out the volume of this shaded region, if we subtract volume of curved line from a curved line volume from straight line volume, then we can easily find out the shaded region. Okay, and one more, and the thing we need to know, the if question asked us that region is rotated 360 degree about x-axis, that time we have to use this formula. That time it will be y square dx, and if question asks that y-axis rotated y-axis, that time we have to use x square dy, this formula. Okay, so let's get started. So here this is pi, just copy. Okay, and 1/4 limit. Here, as you can see, this is x, so that is why we have to take limit 1/4, because this is x and this is also x, x1 x2. Okay, so here, as you can see, x1 is 1 and x2 is 4. Okay, so y1 value is this 5 minus x, right? 5 minus x, so we can write here 5 minus x and power 2 and dx, just copy. Okay, and minus minus, and this is 5 and 1/4, right? And this is y2 what 4x inverse 1, and this is power 2, right? So we have to write here power 2, and this is dx. Okay, and then this is pi, just copy, and so we're gonna integrate it with respect to x. Okay, so first of all, we can think the total thing is x, so x and power 2 x square, right? So power added 1, so that's mean 5 minus x added 1, and the total things will be divided. Okay, and is this really x? No, this is not really x. This is 5 minus x, so that is why we have to differentiate it again. Okay, so if we differentiate 5, it will be 0, so we don't need to worry about that. And if we differentiate minus x, it will be minus 1, and this minus 1 we have to divide here. Okay, and then this limit 1/4. Okay, minus, and this is pi, just copy. Okay, and this is 1 and 4, and 4 square, it will be 16, and x inverse 1, it will be x inverse 2. Okay, and dx is just copy. Okay, and then this is pi, just copy, and this is 5 minus x, 2 and 1, this will be 3. Okay, and this is 2 plus 1, it will be 3, and minus 1, if you multiply, it will be minus 3. If we want, we can write the minus 3 outside of this. Okay, and there will be 4 and 1 limit. Okay, and this is minus pi, and you can write this 16 is outside here, 16, and x inverse 2, right? X inverse 2, if we integrated it, minus 2 added 1, and total things will be divided. Okay, and there will be limit 1 and 4. Okay, and then if we calculate it, and the total result will be like that, 28.3 units cube. Okay, so this is the volume of this shaded region. Okay, so thank you very much.